Hey, what's up guys? Me Kevin and I'm back for another video. So for today, back by popular demand, marami na request itong video na to. This is the RX 5500 XT ni Aisurix. So nag-review tayo ng RX 580, no? So ito naman yung mas mataas na model or mas latest na model from Aisurix. This is a 5500 XT. So i-install natin to sa computer, check natin yung frame rate, yung temps, all of that, no? So, check natin kung worth it ba yung gumastos kayo na mas malaki para dito, or kung gusto niya mas okay na sa inyo yung RX 580 kung yun lang yung kaya ng budget nyo. So, will spending more for about 1,000 or 2,000 pesos, worth it ba yung performance? We will find that. So, ang unang-una dyan, yan, box muna natin to. So, let's proceed with the unboxing. So guys, ito yung box niya, no? Open na natin siya. Same box as before ng RX 580. Okay? Ito yung card. Ayan yan, no? Ang kasama niya is 1 8-pin to 8-pin cable. 6-pin to 8-pin. Okay? Yan. May kasama siyang GPU cable. So, actually, yun lang naman yung laman, no? Yung laman pa ba dito? Wala na. So, actually, yun lang yung laman ng box natin. So, check na natin itong mismong card. Let's open it up. Maganda ba itsura? So, here it is. Ito yung video card. So, almost the same na itsura nung RX 580, no? But not sa materials, it's almost the same. As much as I can see, wala masyadong difference. So, here's sa likod. Meron siyang tatlong display port. Meron siyang HDMI cable dito. So, dalawang PCI slot ang i-cover niya sa case nyo. So, be mindful of that. Meron siyang backplate, no? Ito yung kinaibahan nung sa RX 580. Meron siyang grills dito na pababa. Downslope siya. I think this is metal. Metal yung backplating niya. Medyo mas maiksi yata siya ng konti. I'm not so sure. So this is the model RX 5500 XT. 8GB with DDR6 RAM. VRAM. So yun siya, no? Sa presyo na to, I think very acceptable, no? May kabigatan din siya, no? So, hindi siya usually sa mga Chinese na knockoffs na video card na magaan. This medyo may bigat siya. So, kita naman niyo yung mga tubes dito ng copper. I'm not sure if it's copper or not, no? But it's mabigat. So, I think cooling is enough for this. We will check it out later. So, I'm for the price itself, I'm really impressed. For what I see here, sa design, red and black. Though mahirap ternohan to kung black and white lang or may blue theme kayo na computer, no? Medyo may konting babaguhin kayo kung gusto nyo palitan to. But for me, for the price itself, sa quality na nakikita ko dito, it's very much acceptable. I really like this video card for its looks and build quality. So guys, no, side by side, ito yung RX 580, ito yung 5500 XT. As you can see, mas mahaba ng konti yung RX 580 sa 5500 XT. Sa likod naman, may difference din, no? Backplate ng RX 580 is full black, at yung sa 5500 XT is may black-red accent siya. So, yun yung difference niya. Maliit lang naman. In terms of length, konti lang ang difference. So yan, na-install na natin yung RX 5500 XT. Yan yung itsura niya, no? So maiksi lang siya, no? So kahit sa anong case, kahit MATX na case, kasyang-kasya siya. Maiksi lang yung card, very compact. So let's proceed with the performance review. So in-install ko lang yung software habang hinihintay. So let's proceed.
Still want me to tie it to the boat?
Boy. That is enough.
My boat!
No! You are not ready! Stay back!
Jill? Over here!
Brad,
You okay?
what was that thing?
Damned if I know. But right now it's got a hard-on for the only 2 stars left in town. You and me. I'm not sticking around. Just look around you. The longer we wait, the more screwed we are.
How'd this all happen so fast?
I don't know. One fucked up thing always leads to another.
Leads up the mountain. We'll have a good view of the valley beyond from the summit.
All right, let's take it easy here. This wind is crazy.
We just need to keep moving.
Hey, even if we don't find anything up here, your dad would be proud.
I know, but I have a good feeling about this. Oh, shit!
You okay?
Lost my footing. I'm fine.
Laura!
That was close.
Laura! Are you all right?
Jonah! I'm here!
I'll climb down there and get you!
No! It's too dangerous!
Out of my way. Whoops. Fix that for you. I'm leaving. Try and stop me. It's no use. There she is. It's got to be her.
Hail, noble cousin. Now,
I know you can't hear me.
So yun na guys, no, tapos na natin i-check yung performance. Nakita nyo yung temps, yung frame rate ng mga games na try natin, na benchmark natin. I think for the most part, very playable siya compared dun sa RX 580 na talagang medyo nag-struggle pero playable pa naman. Dito meron tayong nakikita mas smooth yung gameplay. Panoorin nyo lang yung RX 580 ko na video, lilink ko rin sa baba. So, itong 5500 XT, syempre mas mahal siya. I think it's around 6,900 pesos ngayon sa Shopee, lilink ko rin sa baba. Pero, do you think sulit ba? Do I think sulit ba? I think sulit siya for the, kung gusto nyo talaga ng performance na hindi nagsa-struggle yung games nyo sa high settings, sa 1080p, ayaw nyo mabitin sa performance. Actually sa temps, wala naman akong problema, nag-over lang siya for 60 to 70 degrees. Yan, nandyan lang siya, naglalaro sa ganun. Kahit na ilang beses ako nag-benchmark, nandun lang siya. Though, dito sa place ko, may naka-aircon ako, tapos well ventilated yung depende rin kasi sa sa PC case nyo, ilan ba yung fans nyo. So hindi ko masabi na mas okay ang performance sa inyo. Ito yung very broad overview ng performance itong 5500 XT. Pero sa performance hindi ka mabibitin sa medium to high settings, sa 1080p, dun sa nilaro ko kanina, sa Resident Evil, sa Tomb Raider, ganyan, sa God of War. Sa God of War, medyo nag-struggle ng konti, pero na-pick up naman niya for about 40 to 45. It's very playable pa at 1080p settings. Wala akong binago sa settings. Ayun yung pinaka-default settings niya. Naka 1080p, naka quality mode siya, parang ganun. So, I'm very impressed with the performance sa halagang 6,900. Very competitive na yung pricing niya compared sa mga mas kilalang brand. So, if ever naghanap kayo ng mura at bago na video card, I highly recommend to check it out, this 5500 XT. I think sulit siya for its price, for its performance. Kita-kita nyo naman kanina. So, if ever may questions kayo, let me know at the comment section down below. I'll be glad to answer sa lahat ng question nyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you again, Aisurix, for this video card. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks guys. See you.